Welcome back to Connected Tech Talks, and I've got a serious problem. Okay, so clearly I'm not the kind of person to do ridiculous things with my MacBook, but I just opened it and this was up with the screen, and like I dropped it a long time ago that caused this dent, but I never did anything. Like, there was nothing that happened that I can imagine caused this. There's no damage to the screen anywhere. It's just these lines. The computer still turns on. Obviously, the LCD is just properly damaged. So, I'm going to mail it into Apple. They sent me a box, and I'm gonna go through what that process looks like. Okay, so this is the MacBook, and this is the box that they've sent me. It's just a nice little box. Not gonna let you guys see my address, obviously. Okay, so I finally got the thing open. I might be too stupid to use this thing, but remove only top layer of foam. Okay, so I removed this. Oh, remove the other one too. Obviously. Insert unit. This is my beautiful MacBook. I love this thing, but I just want it to be working again. So I just slide this, or I guess I should have it so the Apple logo faces the entrance of the box. Okay. Slide that into there. And then put the foam back into the slot. So I guess the foam makes sure that it stays in place and undamaged throughout. And then replace top layer foam over computer, tuck into tabs. Okay, so then I tuck this in like this. All right. Now it's ready to be shipped to Apple. I already got the mailing address on there and stuff like that. It came with this little pamphlet that says, "We're sorry your Mac isn't working as it should." And yeah, I'm sorry too. I just hope that this isn't extremely expensive. But honestly, if it like ends up costing $100 or whatever to get it fixed, I'm happy to pay that, honestly. Well, I'm not happy to pay it, but I just want this thing back and working. Oh, there's a Spanish one. I wonder if I can understand what it says. En este kit se incluye todo lo que necesitas para enviar la Mac a Apple para recibir servicio. Importante, envía la Mac a reparación dentro de un plazo de 30 días. Si Apple no recibe la Mac en un plazo de 30 días a partir de la solicitud de, or whatever. Okay, so yeah, I just hope this thing gets back and running, and I hope it's not crazy expensive or anything like that. Okay, so it's actually the next day. They already have it back to me. Yeah, so there's no label on here, so I can actually show you the whole box now. Hopefully it's fixed. I'm excited to see, and if it is fixed, I guess I'll be editing this video ASAP. Okay, oh, it is taped. So you kind of have to... Okay, we'll get scissors. Okay, so this is open. Okay. So I guess I lift this back up. Lift this foam off. Remember, we took this off originally. Okay, back in good hands. Thank you for selecting AppleCare service. To ensure the highest level of quality and reliability, Apple approved technicians perform all work. Apple approved technicians, okay. Apple covered your repair as described on the left. No payment will be due. Cool. We replaced the parts listed below. So they fixed the display. Okay, ooh, that feels like my MacBook. It's in this nice little I don't know what to call this. It's like mesh or something. Take it out. Okay. Yeah, so my phone ran out of storage in that last clip, but long story short, it is now completely functional, and they actually, they completely replaced the lid of the laptop. And I can tell because there used to be scratches here from when I dropped it, but it's completely fixed now. They didn't replace the bottom as there's still a dent from that original drop, but you know, at least it functions, and that is what I wanted, and they were so quick about it, and yeah. So yeah, I'm very happy with the repair process. It was completely free. They didn't even like tell me how much it was gonna cost. They just sent it back to me before even, like, without even communicating anything with me. But as you can see, it's like completely functional and everything. So yeah, pretty cool. As always, stay connected.